Good afternoon, my beloved friends. In this videos today, I and our team have found one of the small chick. It's the Indochinese Roller, and as you can see in this video, there was a big storm and rained last night, and then this tree fell off. It fell down on the ground, and unfortunately the baby Indochinese Roller was sitting in the nest somewhere in the tree trunk, and then we just found this little poor bird. So our team is trying to bring this little bird to the parent somewhere that you can either hear the call in this video. At this point, I am holding the bird gently, and I am trying to find a very suitable place so that I can land this little poor bird onto that branch, while you can hear the sound of the parent calling this little bird. And before we did that, we already gave the bird the small food like an insects, so it was a grasshopper. And here finally we can put this bird on the branch, and we hope that parent will come to collect this bird from here.